And now, like a surveyor, we get to find the height of a building. So let's say that this is the building, and the person, it doesn't say how far away she was, so we'll probably end up calling that X. And she finds the angle of elevation to be 35 degrees. She then moves an additional 400 feet away, so this is 400 feet. And now the angle of elevation is 15 degrees. And if you look at this little triangle over here, it's got 15 degrees there, and then this angle, this wide angle right here, is going to be 180 minus 35. So we've got that this is 145 degrees, and these two add up to be 160, so that even leaves 20 degrees for this little angle over here. Okay, now the idea is that we're supposed to find the height of the building. And if I could find this side right here, so I'll call that one X. If I could find that side, then I could use that sine of 35 is opposite over hypotenuse, assuming that this building is standing upright. So take a look at that skinny triangle. I'll sort of make a bigger version of it over here. And it's got an X on this side, a 400 on this side. So as far as the angles, I need to know the angles across from that. Well, across from the 400, that's the 20 degrees. And across from X is this one, which is the 15 degrees. And now we can use law of sines. So the side X divided by sine of the angle across from it equals the side 400 divided by sine of the angle across from it. And then multiply both sides by sine of 15 degrees. So it's going to be a 400 that gets multiplied with the sine of 15 degrees and then divided by sine of 20 degrees. And so make sure that the calculator is in degrees mode. And we've got 400 sine of 15 is divided by sine of 20. So that side 302.695. Alright, now take that information and put that on this right triangle, and then for the right triangle we would have this side is the height of the building. This X we just found to be 302.695, and this is 35 degrees. And now we can use sine. So sine of 35 degrees is opposite over hypotenuse. And so multiply both sides by that 302.695. And on the calculator, we already have it, so you just need to say multiply with sine of 35. And the height of the building is 173.618, and that would be in feet. So it's approximately 17 stories tall.